Wildfire season is here, and because of the warm and dry climate we've experienced, it's going to be a rough season.
All 15 year Arizona Sheriffs want you to be prepared. We're working with the state on the Ready, Set, Go campaign.
Ready means prepare now. Make sure that you protect your home by creating a defensible space around your house, clearing roughly 30 to 100 feet of vegetation to protect it from any possible flames.
Register with your county's emergency notification system and make sure to stay connected with your local law enforcement agency through social media.
Make a family communication plan so that you can stay connected in the case of an evacuation.
Make sure you have an emergency supply kit. Your kit should include items such as any prescription medication, important documents, food for your pets, anything you may need in the event you're not able to return home.
Set is when you should be alert to the significant danger in your area, and you should be ready to evacuate.
You can also voluntarily relocate. Stay up to date on all the news and updates from your local law enforcement agency.
Go means to evacuate. This is when danger in your area could be life-threatening.
If you choose not to evacuate, understand that you're making that decision at your own risk.
You must understand the first responders may not be able to help you if you are in trouble.
Help us get the word out about the Ready, Set, Go campaign.
Help us save lives this wildfire season.